What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Noah, and our weather is finally broke today. We're in the 40s. I figured we'd make a nice pipe video today, smoking one of my favorite blends. Yesterday I cleaned up the shop, so today I'm going to relax and smoke a pipe. And that's what's going on at Noah's house today. All right, guys. Today I'm smoking out of this is actually one of my first estate pipes I ever bought. And I bought it off of Smokingpipescom. Leave a description or a link in the description below. But if you're here watching a pipe video, I'm thinking you know about Smokingpipes.com. If you don't, go there because, well, they have it all. And I'm smoking a blend. I actually just bought some more. I'm recording this on Monday. It's President's Day. I'm off. And yesterday was International Pipe Smoking Day. So the last week or so, everybody has had everything discounted. Smoking pipes, pipes and cigars, cup of joes, tobacco pipes. Everybody's discounted. So between all those sites and different tobaccos I wanted, I've purchased about 20 tins of new tobacco coming. I started a tobacco cellar. I love saying that. It's just kind of like this wooden box I have that I put tins of tobacco in, which is cool. I'm going to do a video on that, see what people think about it. Yesterday, I cleaned up my shop finally, like really cleaned it up. And if anybody's watched previous videos, there were stacks of stuff. I still have that hoist taken apart because I don't have the parts for it. But today what I'm smoking is Stokkebye's Luxury Twist Flake. And that's what it is, my great writing. But I bought this initially to try it a little while ago from a local brick and mortar, Allegheny Smoke Works. Check them out. If you're in the Pittsburgh area, pretty much the #1 pipe place to go. And every time I go to a brick and mortar, I was talking about it in another video, I always want to buy something, a couple ounces of this, a couple ounces of that. And they have a really good pipe guy there. And they also have a lot of tobaccos, a lot of tins, a lot of bulk, a few pipes. It's a good place. And the guy who works there, really knowledgeable. But I've seen this, and I picked it up off the big shelf, and in the big jar, I mean, and I opened it up, and I gave it a smell, and it had me. My daughter, I had her smell it the other day because she always turns her nose up to all my pipe tobaccos. And she said, it smells like plums. And I kind of think it does. It's like plums, fruit. It's just an incredible smell. I mean, I can't, I like it. Pressed, twisted, cut. Check that out. There. Oh yeah, get it under the light. But I basically rubbed mine out. I folded it and stuffed it in the pipe, and I don't like it as much as, you know, breaking it up and giving it a good rub. I gotta apologize for this light. I published a couple videos this morning, and I did one the other day, more gardening oriented. I started some onion seeds, and I looked like a yellow orange. It was terrible. Hey, while I'm talking, why don't we fire this guy up? This is a smaller pipe than what I usually smoke. And like I said, it was probably the 3rd pipe I ever bought, and it was an estate pipe, and I thought it was cool. It's kind of no name. It did have a name. I think it was made in Canada. It is kind of smaller, but I like it. But it's good if you just want a quicker smoke. I do have some pipe stuff in mind for some videos, and a few things coming up in the pipe world. A lot of things coming up in the gardening world, and another thing even coming up is a bigger surprise. Now, I already did my char light before. figured you guys didn't need to see that. It's very nice. It's just mellow, and it has a little bit of sweetness. I do tend to smoke a little too hot, a little too fast. So once I get down on a lot of tobaccos, I get like that ashy taste. This one I've learned to just sip it, just to experience. I'm getting older as a pipe smoker. I'm learning what to do. It has a good room note, and as I've said in a couple of my previous pipe videos, I gauge a lot of that off of what my wife says when she comes home, because I do smoke in our garage. Well, it's not really a garage. I've talked about that. It's more like my workbench area. But in wintertime, it's very cold here, so I do smoke here. Our office is right above. And when I smoke like certain things, I go up, and I notice she has a candle lit. But this, she says, it has a nice room note to her. Never, ever on camera do I get my pipe going good. I did have my lighter out today. I was like, yeah, I'll use my cool lighter. And out of fuel. It seems to be out of fuel a lot. I don't want to say I don't like the lighter, but it's always out of fuel. Yeah, that's great. It's smooth. It's an easy smoke. Easier early in the day. Oh, I can't tell you what time it is because I'm using my phone to film this. It's around 10:30, quarter to 11 maybe, and it's real good. I could smoke this all day. But I did just order, because I did like it, 4 ounces of this because it was on sale with International Pipe Smoking Day coming up. So that's a good thing. I do have some other pipe related stuff I was thinking about. Like I said, my cellar thing, I want to bring that in, show you that box. It's a pretty cool thing. I want to make a video on lighters. I have an old Zippo that was my grandfather's, and put a new flint, new wick, stuff like that. But it tends to run out of fuel quick too. And I don't know about lighting a pipe with it. I see a lot of people do it, but I don't know. I've smoked a lot of cigars in my life, and that was always a big don't do it with a Zippo, because that flavor gets in the cigar. People say with pipes, it doesn't happen. But another thing, if you guys listen to podcasts, listen to the Pipe and Tamper podcast. Jay on there, he's hilarious. He was talking about lighters, and he made a good point, because this lighter right here, I don't believe I have the one he was talking about. This is more of a knockoff lighter from Amazon. But it comes with a scraper, a pick, and a tamper. So you throw this in your pocket, a pipe with some tobacco, and this is all you really need. Instead of having this, this, but it's up to you, personal preference. But I don't really smoke this pipe that often. I don't know why. I just don't. This morning I seen it up there, and I thought, well, I'm gonna give that one a go today. Excuse me. Oh, I'll have like a little unboxing. I have a new pipe coming. It's my first high-end, I don't want to call it an artisan pipe, but it's more handmade, and it's coming from England. And months ago, probably a year ago, a guy on Instagram commented on one of my posts and said, hey, check this company out. Really good pipes. So finally, I got one. it has been in shipping for the last week and a half, but it is coming from England. So, and also, if you're on here watching, check out my Instagram channel at Noah's House. And there I have another channel as well on Instagram, which was my first one. And there's a link to that in the description from at Noah's House. And there's a lot of pictures of pipes in my garden. Me and my wife eating dinner at nice restaurants. But for now, I'm going to sit back. I'm going to enjoy my pipe. I'll probably watch this video back because I'm kind of neurotic about that. We're breaking into the 40s, getting into the 50s today, which is incredible because we've been sub-zero the last couple weeks. Couple videos coming out this week, a little more garden oriented. One is a little blizzard that happened the other day, and it's pretty funny. My dog really liked it though. But if you're here, you're watching, thank you. Pecking in on 100 subscribers, and that's pretty cool. So if you guys are one of them, thank you very much. I appreciate it. It's awesome. I am going to enjoy my pipe. I'm going to do a little cleaning up outside, move some branches that fell. I'm going to enjoy my pipe. And hey, that's what's going on at Noah's House today. So please like, subscribe, share it around. Give me some comments. Comment on what I'm doing right, what I'm doing wrong. If you came for the pipes, check out the gardening videos. If you happen here for the gardening videos and you're watching a pipe video, welcome. And that's about all I have to say today. Enjoy. Have a good week. We'll see you.